Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. Welcome to the second lesson in our procurement series. Today, we're looking at just-in-time JIT inventory management, a method that helps businesses reduce waste and improve efficiency by receiving stock only when needed. Let's get started. JIT is an inventory management system where businesses order materials or products just before they are required for production or sale. This approach eliminates the need for large storage spaces and reduces costs by preventing excess inventory. Instead of keeping large amounts of stock, businesses rely on efficient supplier relationships and accurate demand forecasting. One of the biggest advantages of JIT is reduced storage costs. Since businesses only keep stock when needed, they save money on warehouse space. Another key benefit is lower waste, as businesses avoid over-ordering and having unsold stock go to waste. JIT also improves cash flow since money isn't tied up in excess inventory. Businesses can invest in other areas instead of stock sitting unused. JIT allows businesses to be more responsive to demand. If customer preferences change, businesses can quickly adjust without being stuck with outdated stock. This is particularly useful in fast-moving industries like fashion and technology, where trends change rapidly. In the UK, car manufacturer Toyota is famous for using JIT to improve efficiency and minimize storage costs. However, there are disadvantages to JIT. One major risk is supply chain disruptions. If a supplier is late or fails to deliver, production can come to a halt because businesses do not have backup stock. This became a problem during events like Brexit and the COVID-19 pandemic, where supply chains were heavily disrupted. Another issue is higher reliance on suppliers, meaning businesses must have strong supplier relationships and accurate demand forecasting to avoid shortages. JIT is most suitable for businesses with predictable demand and reliable suppliers. Industries like manufacturing and fast food chains benefit from this approach, as they can quickly replenish stock as needed. However, businesses that face fluctuating demand or unreliable suppliers may struggle with this system. In your AQA GCSE business exam, you may be asked to evaluate the benefits and risks of JIT or compare it with other inventory methods. A possible question might be: explain one advantage and one disadvantage of just-in-time inventory management. To summarize, JIT helps businesses reduce costs, minimize waste, and improve efficiency, but it carries risks such as supplier dependence and vulnerability to disruptions. Businesses must carefully manage suppliers and demand forecasting to make JIT work successfully. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please like this lesson, subscribe to our channel, and comment with your questions. I'll be happy to respond. See you in the next lesson on just-in-case JIT inventory management.